Hello, everyone. My name is Benyamin Sibarani, and I'm a student at IT Dell. Today, I'm honored to present a project that my team and I have worked on with great dedication and effort. The project is titled Development of a Web-based Ticket Booking System for Tomok-Ajibata Ferries. This, this project was inspired by the challenge faced by the traditional ticketing system at the Tomok-Ajibata port. Uh, So through this presentation, I will guide you through the problems we identified, our proposed solution, the technical challenge we encountered, and the outcome of our project. So I hope this presentation not only highlights the work we have accomplished, but also demonstrates the potential impact of technology in solving real-world problems. So the objective of this presentation are introduction, technical challenge, design and solution, pros and cons, unresolved challenge, system and code. So I'll start from the introduction. In this introduction, I will explain about about the current system overview. The Ajibata Tomok Port serves as a crucial transportation link between Samosir Island and mainland Sumatra. And however, the system currently in use is still traditional and manually, especially for recording passenger data and ticket payment. So passengers are required to come directly to the port to register and have their information written down manually on paper. Additionally, payments are made in the cash on board when the ferry is nearing its destination. As the port grows busier, this manual system causes several issues, such as long queues, the risk of data loss from manual recording, and uncertainty about ticket availability. Passenger may not secure a seat if the ferry is already full. Furthermore, cash collected on board vulnerable to theft or loss. So, the project aims to modernize the traditional ticket booking system for the Tomok-Ajibata ferry by developing a website that ensures convenience, efficiency, and security for passengers, port officials, and ferry owners. And then the technical challenge. Uh, so in this technical challenge, first we have the manual data handling. Before this application, passenger details were manually recorded and on the paper. This method had numerous drawbacks, such as the risk of losing data if the paper was misplaced or damaged, and difficulty of retrieving specific information due to unorganized storage. Additionally, manual errors such as illegible handwriting or incorrect data entry were common. By implementing a digital system, we resolve this issue by storing data in a structured database, which can be accessed easily at any time. And the second is overcrowding at the port. Passenger had to visit the port directly to book tickets, which caused overcrowding, especially during peak holiday season. This not only inconvenienced passengers, but also led to other issues such as long queues, passenger unable to get ticket, and inefficient passenger management. So with this application, Passenger can book tickets online, reducing congestion at the port, and improving the convenience for everyone involved. And the third are is and the third is cash payment on board. Previously, payments were made manually on the ferry as it approached its destination. This system had many drawbacks, such as the risk of theft or loss of money, difficulty in managing cash transaction, and potential calculation errors. By integrating a digital payment system through Mitrans, we ensure that transactions are more secure and efficient for both passenger and ferry operators. And the fourth is system complexity. We needed to design a system that could accommodate three main roles. There are passengers, port official, and ferry owners. Each role had distinct requirements, such as passengers needing a simple booking process, port official managing ferry schedules, and ferry owners overseeing their ship information. Creating a system that addressed each role's need without confusing the users was a significant challenge that we resolved through intuitive role-based design system. And then there is integration of payment gateway. Integrating an online payment system using Mitrans was a technical challenge that required a deep understanding of APIs and transaction security. Uh, we need to ensure that payments could be made easily, made easily by users while remaining secure and reliable. This process involved repeated testing to to ensure all the transactions were correctly recorded and passengers receive real-time payment confirmation. With this feature, passenger can pay using various methods, such as credit cards, bank transfer, or e-wallets. Uh, and then we have design and the solution. There are user role, major features, and technology stack. So, in the user roles, categorizing users into specific roles as port officials, ferry owners, and the passengers creates a clear structure in this application. Uh, each role has distinct needs that cannot be addressed with a one-size-fits-all approach. By defining these roles, the application can deliver targeted and efficient feature. So for the example, port official need tools to manage ferry schedule, while passengers only need a seamless ticket booking experience. This separation of this separation avoid confusion and ensure that every user gets a tailored experience. Uh, so why it is a solution? Because each role gets access to the right tools for their task, and user only interact with features relevant to them, enhancing usability. And then for the scalability, new roles such as a central admin can be added without disrupting the existing system. Uh, and then and then the core features. The core features include the authentication booking system, payment integration, and informational page. So the core features like role-specific dashboard, booking system, payment integration, and informational page directly address the challenge identified in the manual system. Role-specific dashboard provide organized access tailored to user need. The booking system replaces manual record keeping with a structured and digital process. Payment integration minimize case handling uh, and adds convenience. Informational pages are offer user quick access to essential data. And why this is a solution? Because first is manual recording keeping. The, the booking system replaces inefficient paper records with a digital solution. For the cash transaction, online payments, secure transactions, and eliminate theft risk. And then unstructured information. Informational pages provide consistent and accurate data access. And then next is the technology stack. The technology stack is the selected technology stack cover all the applications need from the backend and front end to database, design, and server infrastructure. So Laravel as the backend framework ensure clean code structure and fast feature development. MySQL as the database secures and organize all stored data. Figma ensure the UI is professionally designed before implementation. And then Apache provides a reliable server environment for running the web application. Uh, so why it is a solution? Because first, the optimal performance. Laravel, and MySQL, and Apache are proven technology suitable for small to medium scale web application. And then is easy of development. Laravel's with built-in features like authentication, data validation, and middleware accelerate development. And then effective collaboration. Figma enable all team members to contribute to UI design before technical development begins. And then pros and cons. So our pros and cons. There are eliminate manual errors and paper dependency. By digitizing the booking and scheduling process, the application removes the need for paper-based record keeping. This reduces the risk of human errors, such as misspelled names, incorrect schedule, or misplaced document. It also simplifies data storage and retrieval, ensuring accuracy and reliability. And then save the passenger's time by allowing online booking and payments. Passengers no longer need to travel to the port just to reserve a ticket or make a payment. Instead, they can do everything online from the comfort of their homes. This is especially valuable for people traveling from far away place or during peak seasons when the port might be overcrowded. And then next, increase security with digital transaction. The integration of a payment gateway ensure that transactions are secure, transparent, and trackable. It eliminates the risk associated with handling large amount of cash, such as theft, or loss. And the next is reduce overcrowding and ensure better organization at the port. Uh, by enabling online bookings, passenger can reserve their seats in advance, reducing the need for last-minute rush at the port. And next, we are in the cons. The first cons is require consistent internet access, which could be a limitation in remote areas. The system relies heavily on internet connectivity for online bookings and real-time updates. In a remote location with poor network coverage, user may face difficulty accessing the application. This could this could limit its functionality for some passenger and port official. Next, initial training for the port staff might be needed to adapt to the digital system. Transitioning from a manual system to a digital platform requires port official to learn how to use the application effectively. This may involve training sessions, which, which could take time and effort. And then we are in unresolved challenge. The first is internet dependency. The system heavily relies on the stable internet connectivity for its operation, including real-time bookings, schedule updates, and payment processing. Uh, in area where internet access is limited or unstable, passenger and port staff might, might experience interruptions or delays in using this application. Next is the scalability. As, as the application more as the application gains more users over time, managing increased traffic and ensuring smooth performance becomes a significant challenge. The database must handle larger volumes of data, and the server infrastructure should be capable of supporting multiple concurrent users without slowing down or crashing. And then the security aspect. With digital system, there is always the risk of cyber threats, such hacking attempts, data breach, or unauthorized access. The application must implement robust security measures, including encryption, secure authentication, and regular vulnerability testing to protect user data and financial transactions. And then, so finally, in the conclusion, our project aims to modernize the ferry ticketing process at Tomok-Ajibata port by introducing a web-based that prioritizes convenience, efficiency, and security. Uh, while we face significant challenges along the way, the experience has been incredibly rewarding, and we believe this system has the potential to make a meaningful difference for passengers, port officials, and ferry owners alike. I would like to express my gratitude to everyone who has support us throughout this journey, including our mentors and team member. And thank you for your time and attention to my presentation. Thank you.